Juicy girl. Not juicy. It's juicy. Messy girl. Girl, my name ought to be messy today. Look here, honey. Hey, I got some news too. And it's from a reliable source. Okay. I got some news that the parrot, girl, the parrot heard your voice message and called you a old lady and say she don't know why in the hell you is on AE's phone. I'm telling you the truth, baby. I ain't finna play nothing. I ain't finna start nothing, cause you know I ain't trying to get no senior citizen all held up or nothing, you know, by the collar. But I just wanted to let you know, honey, so you might want to address. Oh God, it took me out. They say more than once, honey, the parrot been going around telling everybody she is tired of hearing that old woman voice when she called AE. And she don't like her. She don't know who she thinks she is answering AE phone. And all the while, girl, she talking about you. Get up to that. It's funny, ain't it? Good. It's funny, ain't it? Good. Come over here. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on over here. Tell Missy. Yeah. Tell her, buddy. Tell her. Say, yeah. The parrot was talking about you bad. Come on up. Yeah, come on up here. Come on up here. Come on up here, baby. Get in the camera. See, you see my baby? Then, yeah. So I want to know what you got to say about that, Bessie. What you got to say about that, Missy? Huh? Tell her. Okay, thank you. See, my baby just love her mama. Yeah, she didn't. She love her mama loves her. We gotta go check on your badass sister. Fat ass, badass sister. Oh, shoot, I forgot. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Let me try to get this in together. I'm trying to get this in together. Say what? Well, we finna get up. We get up. Yeah, your mom already said we finna get up. Yeah, we finna get up. Wait a minute. Hold on, baby juice. Cause I gotta get some straightening. Hold on. I gotta get some straightening done real quick, right away. No, you ain't gotta hold me down, girl. Don't hold me down. Your auntie got it. I got it. But I gotta get some straightening done. Your great auntie. I think she got somebody messed up. Because I ain't making no threats now. I thought you was no longer the parrot. But, evidently, you don't went back to your weed because you was what was that? Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. Oh, no. Can't go that deep, Lord. Can't go that deep. But instantly, Pearl the parrot. As you can see, I'm not an old lady like you. Okay? Let me say it. I got to say it, baby juice. Thank you. I'm going to get up in a minute. Just let me get this out. Okay, let me get it out. Cause I don't know who you think you're talking to. But I'm not the one. The two or the three. Okay? And I'm not. And you can see this. You see this face? This is not the face of an old lady. Okay? And I will continue to answer AE's phone whenever and however I want to. So you just gonna have to keep on listening. She's not gonna change it just because you said something. You run around all the west and south side, telling everybody, and then all people, I'll let it get the juice, and Juicy give it to me. And you know, before it came to me, it went on the Juicy News report. So what? What can't you handle about me? You can't handle all this beautifulness. Look at that. All this gorgeousness. Oh, I love this. And look at that. I love this head. I love this head wrap. This is beautiful. Oh, had I known it, Kate. All right. Anyway, oh Lord, I get distracted, and I'm sure that's what happened to you. But I'm just letting you know, I'm not the one that my name ought to be in your mouth. Okay. Normally, when my name is somebody. Okay, hold on. Okay, y'all. I was cut off. Yeah, I was cut off because other people were sending me more information about the parrot talking about me. Okay, y'all don't gotta get all that conversation. Anyway, as I was trying to finish saying, normally when my name is in somebody's mouth, it tastes good. Okay, just like me. Hello. Okay, so normally it is somebody. It's always ahead. I must admit, it's always ahead. Join the train, Monty. Join the train. But like I said, Pearl the parrot. I ain't going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. So, is that what you want to say? When you call back, next time you call back, I hope AE don't answer the phone then. So guess who's going to have to listen to? Me. You sure will. And you want to know what I'm doing? I'm eating my breakfast. And ain't minding nobody's business. Hello, but my own. So, I think that's what you need to do. Mother Pearl, I'm going to be respectful enough. I ain't got to. As you know, like I know, the old heads can get it too. I ain't making no threat. I don't make threats. I make promises. Hello. So I'm just letting you know, I ain't making no threat. But you might want to keep my name out your mouth. All right. Before I be doing a recording on your phone. And that's all I got to say about that. Good day.